Welcome to Fiscal Park. Let us start a second video in our accounting series. Today's topic is history and development of accounting. Accounting enjoys a remarkable heritage. The history of accounting is as old as civilization. The seeds of accounting were most likely first sown in Babylonia and Egypt around 4000 BC, who recorded transactions of payment of wages and taxes on clay tablets. Historical evidences reveal that Egyptians used some form of accounting for their treasuries, where gold and other valuables were kept. The in charge of treasuries had to send day-wise reports to their superiors known as wazirs, the prime minister, and from there month-wise reports were sent to kings. Babylonia, known as the city of commerce, used accounting for business to uncover losses taken place due to frauds and lack of efficiency. In Greece, accounting was used for apportioning the revenues received among treasuries, maintaining total receipts, total payments, and balance of government financial transactions. Romans used memorandum or daybook, wherein receipts and payments were recorded and wherefrom they were posted to ledgers on monthly basis. 700 BC to 400 AD, China used sophisticated form of government accounting as early as 2000 BC. Accounting practices in India could be traced back to a period when 23 centuries ago, Kautilya, a minister in Chandragupta's kingdom, wrote a book named Arthashastra, which also described how accounting records had to be maintained. Luca Paciollis, a Franciscan friar, wrote a book named Summa de Arithmetica Geometria, Proportion et Proportionality Deblian in Venice 1494, is considered as the first book on double entry bookkeeping. A portion of this book contains knowledge of business and bookkeeping. However, Pacioli did not claim that he was the inventor of double entry bookkeeping, but spread the knowledge of it. It shows that he probably relied on then current bookkeeping manuals as the basis for his masterpiece. In his book, he used the present-day popular terms of accounting, debit debtor and credit creditor. These were the concepts used in Italian terminology. Debit comes from the Italian debito, which comes from the Latin debita, and debeo, which means owed to the provider. Credit comes from the Italian credito, which comes from the Latin credo, which means trust or belief in the proprietor or owed by the proprietor. In explaining double entry system, Pacioli wrote that all entries have to be double entries. That is, if you make one creditor, you must make some debtor. He also stated that a merchant's responsibility include to give glory to God in their enterprises, to be ethical in all business activities, and to earn a profit. He discussed the details of memorandum, journal, ledger, and specialized accounting procedures.